Hey guys, next up we're going to be assembling the Momcozy M6 wearable breast pump. So you start with your flange body and you attach the duckbill firmly like this. Next up you insert the diaphragm and press it in securely. Then you're going to align the holes at the top, hook it over and snap it securely all the way around. It's as simple as that. You just pop the motor on the top and you are ready to go. We also have this convenient breast cover. And here's a look at her outside in the light. Available as a single or double pump at pumpabilitybb.com.